Lanterns glow as the stars align. The air is crisp like sparkling wine.
Pine trees whisper in the icy breeze, a memory carved in roads that tease.
Every turn, every bend it sings of laughter, love, and simple things. Zigzag road to Baguio, climbing high underneath the velvet night sky. Through the mist where stories unfold, dreams are wrapped in the mountains cold.
Curve a story, each rise a tale.
Shadows chase the moonlit hills, a silent hymn.
The heart it fills. Every mile, every sigh it hums of journey